Think your Toyota will only make it to 200,000 miles? You're completely wrong about that. There's a reason 6 of the 10 longest-lasting vehicles in America wear a Toyota badge. Land Cruisers, Sequoias, and 4Runners routinely push past 300,000 to 400,000 miles like it's nothing. But here's what most people don't realize. Getting to 500,000 miles isn't about luck or picking the perfect model. It's about following specific habits that separate the cars headed for the junkyard from the ones still purring down the highway decades later. I've spent years working on Toyotas that have seen everything, from total neglect to obsessive care. The difference between a car that dies at 150,000 miles and one that cruises past 500,000 isn't the engine it started with. It's the 13 habits the owner followed religiously. These aren't complicated tricks or expensive mods. They're simple practices anyone can master, but most people skip them because they assume their car will just keep running forever. Here's the reality check. Toyota builds incredible engines, but they're not magic. Skip the right maintenance at the wrong time, and even the most bulletproof powertrain can leave you stranded. Follow these 13 habits exactly the way I'm about to show you, and your Toyota will reward you with smooth, reliable transportation for decades. If you're serious about making your Toyota last, hit that like button right now. Share this video with anyone you know who drives a Toyota, and drop a comment with your Toyota's year and model. I'm genuinely curious how many high-mileage Toyotas are out there, and a lot of owners need this information. Let's start with the foundation everything else builds on. It also helps this channel reach more owners who need it. Number 1. Change your engine oil. Every 5,000 miles. Not the 10,000 miles Toyota claims in the manual. Yes, I know what the book says. Toyota's official schedule allows those extended intervals, but that's under near-perfect conditions. Steady highway miles, clean environments, ideal warm-ups. Most drivers don't live in that fantasy world. Oil is simple but critical. It's your engine's lifeline, separating metal parts, carrying away heat, and suspending contaminants. When oil gets old, thick, or dirty, it stops protecting. That's when real damage starts. I've seen engines that should have gone 300,000 miles destroyed because someone tried to stretch oil changes. In the real world, most of us take short trips where the engine never fully warms up. We sit and stop and go traffic. We drive in dusty areas or extreme temperatures. All of that breaks oil down faster than Toyota's ideal testing scenarios. Sticking to 5,000-mile intervals gives your engine the protection it actually needs. The oil filter matters just as much. Keeping a dirty filter is like pouring clean water through a mud-soaked sponge. It won't help much. Replace the filter every oil change. That combo keeps internals moving freely and prevents the sludge and varnish that quietly kill engines. Use the right oil for your specific Toyota. Most modern models require 0W20 full synthetic, which flows better in cold weather and resists breakdown at high temperatures. Don't cheap out with bargain oil. Quality synthetic costs more upfront but protects better and saves money by preventing expensive repairs later. Number 2. Service the transmission fluid on a realistic schedule. Most people either obsess over it or ignore it. Both are wrong if you want 500,000 miles. Toyota calls transmission fluid lifetime, but that usually means long enough for warranty. We're aiming much higher. Smart approach. For non-hybrid Toyotas, change the transmission fluid every 60,000 miles or 6 years, whichever comes first. For hybrids, you can push to about 80,000 miles because their systems operate differently and generally run cooler. Skip aggressive flushes. Do a simple drain and fill that replaces roughly half the fluid without shocking the system or dislodging debris all at once. Transmission fluid does more than lubricate. It controls hydraulic pressure, engages clutches, and keeps temperatures in check. When it breaks down, the first thing you notice is rough or delayed shifts. Then clutches slip, valve bodies gum up, and suddenly you're staring at a repair bill bigger than the car's value. Always use the exact fluid Toyota specifies. Most automatics need Toyota WS fluid. CVTs requires CVT-FE fluid. Don't gamble on universal fluids. If something goes wrong, that aftermarket label won't cover your repairs. Your wallet will. Number 3. Never skip coolant replacement. Toyota's super long life coolant lasts longer than old school green coolant, but it's not immortal. After about 5 years or 50,000 miles, even the best coolant starts to turn acidic and attack your engine from the inside. It corrodes gaskets, eats aluminum, and sets you up for failures that could have been prevented. The most common casualties of skipped coolant service are water pumps and head gaskets. On older engines, acidic coolant breaks down pump seals and gaskets. Once coolant gets corrosive, you can end up with coolant in the combustion chamber, misfires, codes, white smoke, and a massive bill. If you're here because you want your Toyota to last, take a second and subscribe. These tips work, but only if you follow them consistently over time. Solution: flush and refill with Toyota Pink coolant or an equivalent that truly meets spec every 5 years or 50,000 miles. If you drive a hybrid, don't forget the inverter coolant loop. It's just as critical to hybrid component life. Check the overflow tank monthly for drops in level or signs of leaks. Number 4. Replace brake fluid on time. Most drivers ignore brake fluid until the pedal feels spongy. Bad idea. Brake fluid is hygroscopic. It absorbs moisture from the air. Even if you barely drive, water contamination builds up, corrodes ABS internals, and causes rust throughout the system. Replace brake fluid every 3 to 5 years depending on climate. In humid regions, stay closer to 3. Use DOT3 or DOT4 as your owner's manual specifies. And don't pop the reservoir cap unless you have to. Exposing it to air speeds up moisture absorption. Number 5. Service power steering fluid, if equipped. First, check whether your Toyota even has hydraulic power steering. Many newer models use electric assist and have no fluid to service. If you do have a hydraulic system, the fluid breaks down and collects fine metal over time, which can damage the pump and rack seals. Change power steering fluid every 50,000 to 70,000 miles with a compatible fluid designed for Toyota systems. Don't automatically pour in ATF unless your manual specifically calls for it. Toyota once spec'd ATF for some systems, but proper PS fluid has additives better suited to steering components. These first 5 habits are the foundation of Toyota longevity. They might seem basic, but they're critical if you want to see 500,000 miles. Each one prevents specific, expensive failures that can sideline your Toyota permanently if you ignore them. Number 6. Change differential and transfer case fluids. Most owners forget these until something breaks. If you drive a truck, SUV, or anything with all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, the diffs and transfer case work hard to deliver power, especially in snow, mud, or when towing. Those fluids shear and overheat, picking up metal and losing protective qualities. Change differential and transfer case fluid every 30,000 miles, especially the first interval. Don't stretch it. The fluid is cheap, the job is straightforward, and it prevents gear damage that costs thousands. You don't have to buy the most expensive bottle with a Toyota logo. Just match the correct GL rating your manual specifies, GL3, GL5, etc., and stick with reputable brands. Follow spec exactly. Your wallet will thank you when your diffs are still quiet at 400,000 miles instead of howling like sirens. Number 7. Replace the engine air filter regularly. This one is so simple that people overthink it. Your engine needs clean air and the filter keeps out dust, bugs, and debris. When it's clogged, the engine has to work harder to inhale, which hurts fuel economy, reduces power, and can contaminate expensive sensors. Plan on a new air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, about once a year for typical driving. In dusty conditions or heavy pollen seasons, change it more often. It's a 5-minute, no-tools job. Open the box, swap the filter, close the box. A clean filter protects the mass airflow sensor, which can cost hundreds to replace if it gets fouled. $30 for a quality filter can prevent a long list of headaches later. Number 8. Get spark plugs right. Interval and part number. Here are the 2 big mistakes: changing too early or using the wrong plugs. Both can hurt performance and longevity. If the engine is healthy and well maintained, most Toyotas need new plugs about every 120,000 miles. Some newer V6 engines call for 60,000. Check your manual. When it's time, use exact original equipment plugs, the same brand and part number. Pull one out, match it perfectly, and install the set. Saving a few bucks with close enough alternatives often backfires with rough running or trouble codes. Since you only do plugs every 60,000 to 120,000 miles, it's not worth the risk. Here's a pro tip that can save you a major headache. If your Toyota is getting older and it's been around 10 years since the spark plugs were installed, go ahead and remove and reinstall them, even if you haven't hit the mileage interval yet. Spark plugs can seize inside aluminum cylinder heads over time, and I've seen them snap clean off after 15 years because nobody ever touched them. That turns a simple tune-up into a nightmare repair. If you're finding value in these tips, take a second to hit that like button and share this video in any Toyota groups or forums you're part of. It really helps this channel reach more owners who want their Camry, Corolla, RAV4, or 4Runner to last. and I appreciate every single share. Habit number 9. Replace the timing belt on schedule. If your Toyota engine uses a timing belt, this step is absolutely non-negotiable. The timing belt keeps your pistons and valves moving in perfect harmony. If it snaps, you're looking at catastrophic engine damage that can cost more than the car itself. Most Toyota engines with timing belts need them replaced every 60,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on your exact model and engine code. Check your owner's manual and don't even think about pushing it further. Being penny-wise here can destroy an otherwise bulletproof engine overnight. When you replace the timing belt, always replace the water pump at the same time. The labor overlaps almost completely, and many water pumps fail shortly after the belt if left untouched. Doing both together is one of those smart, preventative moves that saves you from paying double labor later. Habit number 10. Maintain and test your battery regularly. Your 12-volt battery may seem small, but it powers everything, from the starter motor to every electronic module in your Toyota. When it starts to weaken, small issues start to appear first. Dim lights, slow cranking, glitchy electronics. Ignore those, and soon your car won't start at all. Most Toyota batteries last about 3 to 5 years, but I've seen well-maintained ones go 8 or even 10. Test your voltage with a multimeter every few months. If it reads under 12.4 volts when the engine is off, give it a charge or start planning for replacement. And don't forget the terminals. Clean them twice a year with a wire brush and baking soda solution. That white or green crusty buildup doesn't just look bad, it can block current flow and keep your Toyota from starting even if the battery is still good. Habit number 11. Inspect and replace the serpentine belt. This single belt runs your alternator, power steering pump, AC compressor, and sometimes even your water pump. If it fails, you lose all those systems at once, and possibly damage other components in the process. Pop the hood and look for cracks, fraying, or a shiny polished surface on the belt. Those are warning signs. Replace it before it snaps. Most Toyota serpentine belts last roughly 100,000 miles, but in extreme climates or under heavy use, they can fail sooner. A quality belt costs less than a tank of gas and can prevent an on-the-road breakdown that ruins your day. Habit number 12. Use genuine Toyota parts. I get it, aftermarket parts are tempting. They're cheap and easy to find online. But when your goal is to hit 500,000 miles, genuine Toyota parts are worth every penny. Toyota's engineers designed these components to work perfectly with your car's systems. They fit right, they last longer, and they keep the car's performance exactly as intended. Aftermarket parts often look the same but can use lower-grade materials or slightly different tolerances. That can mean extra vibration, leaks, or sensors that fail prematurely. Whether it's filters, gaskets, or critical electronic sensors, using OEM spec parts gives you reliability you can trust. When longevity is the goal, cheap parts are false economy. Habit number 13. Keep detailed records and fix problems early. This last habit is what separates average owners from the half-million-mile legends. Keep detailed records of every oil change, fluid service, and part replacement. Over time, that record becomes a map of your car's health. It also helps you spot trends, like if you're replacing one part more often than expected. More importantly, address small problems before they become major ones. A strange noise, a minor leak, a soft brake pedal. These are your Toyota's way of asking for help. Ignoring them is the fastest way to turn a $50 fix into a $5,000 repair. Regular inspections catch those issues early when they're still cheap and easy to solve. A loose belt, a small coolant drip, or a worn bushing might not seem urgent, but catching it early keeps the rest of your car healthy. Every part connects to another. Neglect spreads like a chain reaction. The real power of these 13 habits isn't in doing them once, it's in consistency. That's what takes maintenance to a level most Toyota owners never reach. The difference between a Toyota that dies at 200,000 miles and one that cruises past 500,000 isn't luck, it's discipline. It's turning these habits into second nature, as natural as checking your mirrors before changing lanes. Think about it. Your Toyota left the factory with the potential to run for decades, but that potential only becomes reality through consistent care. Every skipped oil change, every ignored warning light, every cheap shortcut steals years from your Toyota's life. But every time you follow these habits, you're investing in your car's future. The owners who see 400,000, 500,000, even 600,000 miles aren't lucky. They're methodical. They understand that a Toyota is a system where everything works together. Skip cooling maintenance and you hurt the engine. Ignore transmission service and shifting suffers. Neglect suspension and your tires and driveline wear faster. Everything matters. Here's something few people ever calculate. Following all 13 habits religiously for your Toyota's entire life will likely cost less than 3 years of car payments on a new vehicle. Preventive maintenance might run $1,500 to $2,000 a year. The average new car payment today is over $600 a month, about $7,000 a year, plus higher insurance and registration. When you do the math, keeping your Toyota healthy costs a fraction of buying new. But it's not just about money. A well-maintained Toyota with full documentation holds its value remarkably well, even with high mileage. I've seen Toyotas with 300,000 miles sell for more than other brands with half that mileage, because buyers trust Toyota longevity. That service record you've been keeping becomes proof, and proof builds confidence. Then there's the environmental side. Manufacturing a new car burns massive energy and raw materials. Keeping your current Toyota on the road for 500,000 miles instead of replacing it every 150,000 means fewer cars scrapped, less pollution, and less waste. Extending your car's life is one of the most sustainable choices you can make. If you're serious about adopting these habits and unlocking your Toyota's full potential, go ahead and subscribe. I post detailed maintenance guides, diagnostic walkthroughs, and real-world mechanic advice every week. This isn't theory. It's the same wisdom that's kept millions of Toyotas on the road. And finally, there's a psychological reward most people overlook. Driving a perfectly maintained Toyota feels different. The steering feels tight, the brakes are confident, the engine sounds refined, and the transmission shifts clean and smooth whether you're on the highway or inching through city traffic. Every part works together like it was meant to. Compare that to a neglected car, where every trip feels uncertain. Noises, vibrations, warning lights, and that constant "what's going to break next" anxiety. That's no way to drive. These 13 habits aren't just maintenance tips. They're a blueprint for peace of mind and a ticket to the 500,000-mile club. Start applying them today, and your Toyota, whether it's a Camry, Corolla, RAV4, or Tacoma, will reward you with decades of dependable, stress-free driving. If this helped you see your Toyota in a new light, hit subscribe for more proven advice that keeps your car running stronger, longer.